Hello everyone, welcome to the third class of lesson 6. 你怎么不吃了? Why don't you eat more? So today I will lead you to go through these two grammar parts of today's class. So now let's get started with grammar part 1. So the grammar part 1 is all about 怎么 this word, and in English we can say it is an interrogative pronoun 怎么 as we learned before 怎么 which is how okay. Now let's look at the explanation first. The structure 怎么 plus verb or an adjective is used to ask about the reason for something, indicating surprise or astonishment. So here, I need you to focus on this red sentence here, 怎么 with a verb or adjective. That's how it is used. And usually, when you see this structure, it is used to ask about the reason, so which can be translated as in why or how come in English. Okay? So pay attention. 怎么 with verb or adjective. Okay, now I'm going to show you some examples. Now take a look at the first one. How come you are not happy? This one is pretty easy for you. How come you are not happy? Okay, how come we can say 怎么 and you is 你 are here. Okay, I'd like to tell you, whenever you see a question sentence starts with 怎么, which is how come or why in Chinese, just if there is is or am or are, it is omitted. It is always omitted. Okay, and then not happy. Not is a negative word, which is 不 happy. Remember, happy birthday. So happy is 高兴. Okay. How come 怎么 you 你 not happy 不高兴? So in English, in Chinese, we need to say 你 which is a subject comes first. 怎么 is how come. 不 the negative word. 高兴 adjective happy. Okay, that's how the sentence is formed. 你怎么不高兴 which is you how come not happy. This is a direct translation in English. Okay, so now that we know the example 1, now I'm going to show you example 2 and try to make this Chinese sentence by yourself. How come 怎么 you which is 你 do not go to play basketball? Okay, not go to play basketball, not go 不去 right? Go is 去 and not negative word which is 不去 play basketball 打篮球 so 怎么你不去打篮球 and in Chinese we can say you come first. Okay, so you comes first. We have the sentence 你怎么不去打篮球 play basketball 不去 not go 怎么 how come you 你 okay. So now that we have gone through these two examples, I think we can come with the conclusion of this sentence structure, and that is subject plus 怎么 and then plus a verb or adjective. Okay, and then with a question mark. Of course, this is a question sentence. So subject plus 怎么 and then plus a verb or adjective. Okay. Alright, now that we are done with the explanation, now we can take a look at this exercise. 1. How come you don't eat today? How come you don't eat today? So try by yourself at first time. Which one goes first? You. How come? Second. Not eat. Third. And today. this time expression. If you were with me in the level 1 class, I believe you remember where do we put a time expression in a Chinese sentence. Well, as I told you before, we usually put the time expression in the beginning of a sentence because it is easier for you to memorize. Okay, so now try this sentence again. First, we put the time expression, which is today, and then subject, and then how come, and then not eat, negative word with the verb eat. Okay, now we have the sentence. 你今天怎么不吃饭? This Chinese sentence. The time expression just being put after the subject. It also works, but I prefer to put the time expression in the beginning of this sentence. Okay, so 你今天 you today 怎么 how come 不吃饭不 negative word 吃饭吃 is eat 饭呢 that means food, so eat food, which is eat a meal. So in Chinese, when we say like, do you eat or did you eat? We usually say 吃饭. So eat can't become with. Usually we use 吃饭 rather than eat. 吃, okay. So that's how it works in Chinese. So eat a meal, which is 吃饭. So how come you don't eat today? We say 你今天怎么不吃饭? Okay. Exercise 2. How come today is this hot? How come today is this hot? First, we need to find out which one is the subject. Subject is today. And then how come? And then this hot. Remember, is, am, are is all omitted. So, today, how come this hot? There you go. 今天怎么这么热? Adjective, which is hot. This, in Chinese we can say 这么. So 这么热, which is this hot, or is too hot. How come today is too hot? Okay, 今天怎么这么热? Okay, now we are through with these 2 exercises. Now we can move to the grammar part 2, and that is a reduplication of matter words. Well, this part is really simple for you because when I show you some examples, you will understand how it works. Okay, all right. Explanation first. When a matter word is reduplicated, it means every or each. Okay, pay attention. Every or each, emphasizing that a specific feature is shared by every member in a group, usually followed by do. Okay, so the feature is shared by every member in a group. Okay, so which means a specific feature is shared by every member in a group. So which means all the members in the group, they share one specific feature. Okay, and usually after this reduplicated matter word, there should be do. There should be another word, and that's do. Okay. Examples. The first one. Alright, the first one. 同学 classmate 们 a plural word. So 同学们 classmates. 各个 remember 各 that's a general matter word. 各 general matter word. So 各个 is a reduplicated matter word, which means every or each. So every one of 同学们, so which is each classmate. classmate. So each of classmates share the same feature in a group, and the group is classmates. Okay, and then usually followed by 都 you see 都 okay, and then 很高兴 happy 很高兴 very happy. So 同学们 classmates 各个 each of them 都 all, and here we can just omit the meaning, okay, but 都 this word should be here in a Chinese sentence. 很高兴 very happy. So in English we can say each classmate is very happy. Each classmate is very happy. Okay, next one. 商店的 okay, 商店 that means shop or a store. 衣服 cloth. 件 do you still remember this one? It's a matter word specially used for cloth, 衣服. Examples: 一件衣服，两件衣服. Okay, so 件衣服, which means each cloth or every cloth in the shop. 都 see 都很漂亮 beautiful 很漂亮 very beautiful. Okay, so this sentence in English. Every cloth in the shop is very beautiful. You see? 件 and then 衣服 that means every cloth. Okay? Okay, so this one in English is every cloth in the shop is very beautiful. So that's all for grammar part 2. I think this one is pretty easy for you. So I guess that's all for today's class. And thanks for watching. So from next class we will start the lesson 7.